This is a short video on multiplication by one-digit numbers, and this should be a review, so we're going to go through it pretty quickly. The first thing I want you to do is this. Turn your line paper sideways so we can use the lines to guide us and keep our place value straight. I'm going to draw some boxes, and I'm going to show you one example, and then I want you to pause the video and work out the next 4 problems on your own. Then play the video and see how you did on them. So here is my example. I'm going to do 174 times 3. And see how I'm setting it up to where each number goes in its own individual column. This is going to help you a lot when we get to decimals and multiplying decimals. 4 times 3 is 12. I put the 2 down here and the 1 up top. 3 times 7 is 21 plus 1 is 22. 3 times 1 is 3 plus 2 is 5. And I get the product of 522. Even though these are bigger numbers, my answer to this problem is still called a product, and these two numbers are still called factors. Factors are any two numbers you multiply together to get a product. Now I'm going to write down the next 4 problems, and I want you to pause the video. I'm going to do 924 times 5. 1026 times 4. And just a reminder, even if it's a 4-digit number, you're still going to do 4 times 6, 4 times 2, 4 times 0, and then 4 times 1. You just keep going down the line. 876 times 7 and 409 times 6. So pause the video and then play it after you have finished all the problems. I'm going to work through the answers on these. So 4 times 5 is 20. Put the 2 up top. 5 times 2 is 10 plus 2 is 12. 9 times 5 is 45 plus 1 is 46. So my answer is 4,620. On this problem, 6 times 4 is 24. Put my 2 up here. 4 times 2 is 8 plus 2 is 10. Put a 1 up here. 4 times 0 is 0 plus 1 is 1. And 4 times 1 is 4. So I get 4,104. On this next problem, 6 times 7 is 42. 7 times 7 is 49 plus 4 is 53. 7 times 8 is 56 plus 5 is 61, and I get 6,132. If you have made a mistake and you need to pause the video and go back and re-watch it being explained, you can pause this and re-watch this anytime. This is just to help you guys get into the steps again. On this last one, 6 times 9 is 54. 6 times 0 is 0 plus 5 is 5. 6 times 4 is 24. And my product is 2,454.